video is recording for you the club style cha-cha improvers solo routine number 4. Okay, let me make a start. We started with one mambo as usual. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. I then did a right turn and then a pop and flare to my left turn. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Collect there. A little bit of freestyle, so for the next 8 counts, some body movement or anything you feel like before we go into the New Yorker to the right hand side on the left foot. So I did 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Everybody was doing their own thing, making something up for those 8 counts. New Yorker, return, cha cha cha, turn, round, cha cha cha. Second New Yorker, cha cha cha, turn, round, Susie to the front. Okay, so it's a New Yorker to another New Yorker, but with 1.5 pivots in between. Come back and then Susie Q at the end. Let's do those 3 bars, basic. 2, 3, cha cha cha. 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Body movement, bomb, bomb, bomb. 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2, 3, cha cha cha. Turn around, cha cha cha. Second New Yorker, cha cha cha. Turn to the front and a Susie Q. Side basic preparation for a right turn. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Cuban breaks. 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Drama as I open my feet. Now, little footwork pattern. Toe, heel, back, ball, slide, tap, tap, back, ball, change. Let's do that bar. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, so I'm going to go from the left side preparation for the right turn. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, let's do that whole section from the beginning so far, what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha. 6, 7, turning round. 2, 3, cha cha cha. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Body, body, bom, 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 body, bom, 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 New Yorker. Cha 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 and turn and cha cha cha. New Yorker, cha cha cha, turn, turn, Susie on the right. A left prep, cha cha cha. 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Last 2 bars coming up. Remember, this is a short summary routine. If you've caught this routine somewhere on my website and it's out of context, it's because this is a short summary reminder of something we taught a lot slower in one of our courses. Now, let us go with left foot. I'm going to go half a basic, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So instead of cha 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 backwards on the 4 and 5, I'm going to go bomb, bomb, tap. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Little half grapevine, just the start of it. 6, 7, 8 and 1 for the ball change. Okay, so kind of half the grapevine, not quite finishing it off. Let's do that bar. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. We normally just do 6, 7, 8 and we tap on the 1 for the half grapevine with a little tap, but I just thought, you know, we do a little ball change, why not? So we can. And 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, repeater Cuban breaks for the whole bar. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. And we normally stay on the spot, but I was going to make that travel a little bit to bring back from this side where I ended up on the grapevine. So I'm going bom, 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 bom. Ooh, look. Okay, so that repeater, make it travel a little bit, get your space back. That was it. I'm going to do the whole thing from the top. First time through, I shall say the names of the bits and pieces and the steps, and then the next time I just do the counting. So, basic, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Right turn, left turn, pop and flare. Bomb and a bomb, cha, cha, cha. Pop, flare, cha, cha, cha. And rhythm, rhythm, bomb, bomb, bomb. Rhythm, rhythm, bomb. New Yorkers, slow turning. Cha, 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 and turn and a cha, cha, cha. Rock and cha, cha, cha. Turn round, Susie Q. Side, basic, turning round. Cuban, 6 and 7 and 1. Toe, heel, cha, cha, slide. Tap, tap, back, ball change. 2, 3, 4 and tap. Half grapevine. Bom, dip, bom, repeater, Cuban break. Bom, 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 bom. Whew, and breathe. Numbers now. 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Basic step. Whew. There we go. Routines are getting a little bit harder, as you can see. That is our club style cha-cha solo improvers routine number 4 in the list. Progressive learning pattern. If you've just tuned into this somewhere randomly on my website, go back, look at the beginners, improvers, check out all the full classes. I shall see you in the next video.